Hello to the team at HD Design. My name is Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you a couple of really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked, and using the search words interior designer Everett, I find that you are on page 5. You're about a third of the way down. Got you highlighted there. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google, they never look past page 1. So that is 92% of the traffic that is not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and onto page 1, which will automatically multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. And these blue lines of text on the Google results page are the title tags. Here's yours. Title tag tells Google what it is you want to be ranked for, and it's also telling Google that these are the exact search words or keywords that you want people to use to find you with. Now the problem here is that nobody searching for your services would even know to use any of these words. They wouldn't know to use your business's name in their search. So let me show you how critically important it is to get the correct search words in your title tag. If I copy your title tag word for word, open up a new tab and paste it into the search bar, paste and go, watch what happens. Boom, you come up number 1 on page 1 of my new search. You are the first business that people would see if they use these search words that you have in your title tag. But again, the problem is that nobody searching for your services would even know to use your business's name in the search. So we always want to make sure that the title tag contains the exact keywords or search words that you want to be ranked for, because we want Google to be crystal clear on what it is that you're trying to rank for. Now, this ties in directly with a second issue I wanted to point out real quickly, which is the second thing that Google looks at when trying to rank you, and that is your H1. And the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And your H1 needs to match this title tag exactly. So if we go back to your website, I'm going to open up this scanning tool, and we find out that your H1, even though it technically is saying kind of the same thing as your title tag, Pacific Northwest Interior Design, believe it or not, when the title tag is written out and the H1 is abbreviated, even though technically it's saying the same thing, Google can't read that. Google doesn't know how to process that. So that's confusion issue number 1 for Google. And confusion issue number 2 is that the H1 needs to contain the keywords that you want people to use, or the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And again, nobody searching for your services would even know to use these words in their search. So when you add all this together, Google is confused and doesn't know exactly what it is that you want to rank for. So consequently, Google doesn't know who to direct to you, and instead will red flag and demote your website. So these two simple fixes alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because they would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and Google's algorithm. So if you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all your questions, because that's what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. That's how powerful it is to be on page 1 of Google. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you are having a great day. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.